Hello guys, welcome back with another episode, another video of a form of USCIS. That form is I765. That form is used for application for employment authorization. You can use form I765 application for employment authorization if you move to the United States as an immigrant to obtain an employment authorization document, EAD, and a social security worker number. With your EAD, you will be able to find a legal job in the US, and you will also get social security benefits for disability, retirement, and similar. Note that USCIS will not accept your form I-765 application in case you are a green card holder, and it does not matter if your green card is valid for 2 years or for 10 years. Now we discuss the general instruction of form I-765. In order to increase the chances that USCIS accept your form I-765, follow the recommendation below. Complete all the required section of the form, such as the reason for applying in part 1 and information about you in part 2. USCIS will reject your application if you miss out the important information. Besides, the filing fee will not be returned. Choose the correct eligibility criteria. Category. The two main categories you can this form are as asylee or refugee. There are many more categories mentioned in the I-765 instruction. You should also contact an immigration lawyer if you are not sure about your eligibility category. Leave a handwritten signature on each sheet of paper of your form I-765. Avoid using when writing any information into field in the form, as this may lead to problem when USCIS will analyze the text. Use block letter. Provide documentation that will prove your reason for filing form I-765. Try to get at least 2 sworn affidavits from other people who are familiar with your situation. Without the documentation, USCIS will reject your application if will not return the filing fee. Stay in the US unless you absolutely have to leave the country. USCIS will notify you when they need to take your fingerprint and photos, and you must be located in the US. If you fail to appear at a designated USCIS office, your filing form I-765 will be rejected. Now we can discuss about the filing fee. As specified on the USCIS website, form I-765. Applicants must pay $410 for the processing their application. However, depending on the category you are filing form I-765, USCIS may also demand an additional fee for $85 for taking your photograph, fingerprint, and signature. You must pay the fee for biometric services if you requested consideration of a federal action of childhood arrival using form I-821D. You are a beneficiary for an employment based immigrant petition, or you are a spouse of unmarried child of a beneficiary of an employment based immigrant petition who is facing a compelling circumstances. USCIS will request that you pay $85 if they consider it necessary. Now we can discuss about the processing time of form I-765. As usual with the processing of any application form, USCIS office can give you any time frame on processing your form I-765 application. You should be ready to wait for several months before USCIS process your information and take a decision to issue a new green card in your name or not. So now we discuss the way to send this form I-765. You can send your form I-765 application for employment authorization to 3 USCIS mailbox. You can only send the application to the specific mailbox depending on the state where you live. Visit to where to file section on the form I-765 page to get the exact information, and also visit the USCIS websites to take the specific and correct information about where to send form I765. You can download the form of I765 PDF from the USCIS official websites. Hope this information will help you to fulfill the form. Like, share and subscribe. Tata the for you.